So I skipped a few steps in the process on the old video making, but we cleared it. It looked like gravel. I'm sanding it down with 15 and then 2 and then doing a little buff, and it makes it good enough. But before that, it looks like really rough. Surprising how rough it is for some spray paint glitter. Just show this one more time. Pretty rough. Apparently I put 5 or 6 coats of clear on it, and still really rough. So I was going to sand it down and clear it again, but I buffed the spot just for fun to see, and it's good enough. Looks pretty cool. Not that it shows up on camera, but it will be enough. That's what it will be. Got a wet sanding 101 class going on right now. So, yeah.
That sucks. Let me tell you.
I wasn't going to do any in here, and the supervisor said that we needed to buff in there too.
And then the supervisor got the job.
Notice the palm technique.
Next time he'll keep his mouth shut. I can't hold it.
I just did a little bit right here, didn't get too crazy. Tried to focus my efforts on this part that will actually show. I'll buff it with this, and that'll be that. Throw the water on the ground. Got the frame flat blacked, touched up.
Doing the power tour next year?
Sure, what am I taking?
This?
Model A? Yeah. The board would be a little more comfortable.
Who wants comfort on something like that?
Me?
Which would be more reliable?
This probably.
Well,
Unless we get a small block in that over the winter.
I was gonna say.
Small block and an automatic in the old shoebox. Anyway, I don't know if I showed the firewall yet or not. I probably did. We're ready to go back together here pretty much. And yeah. Here's these 2 holes right here. We didn't weld up because that's where the trans dipstick went. But now we're not using that trans dipstick, and I'm getting one that mounts on the bell housing, but shorter. So I need something that goes in these 2 holes. We welded up all the other extra holes. Now I got those holes that I don't need. So what can I put there? This is where the Ford tag goes. This is where my fuel distribution block goes. This is where one of the hood strap support. Same with that. This is where the coil wire comes out, and I have a clamshell cover, chrome thing that goes over that and covers it. This is the throttle cable, and those are the bolts where the throttle pedal mounts. That's nothing, we just didn't do anything with it because it's like a threaded thing. I don't know, you're not supposed to ask about that.
Sorry. This white's definitely brighter than it was on there before.
Yep, it sure is.
More of an off-white before.
Also, it's impossible to show this. Anyway. That's that. I gotta re-undercoat the training tunnel. Yeah, this thing's ready to go back together. I think this weirdo just stopped instantly.